Are you tired of using note-taking apps that lock your data behind subscriptions or store everything on third-party servers? Most note apps are either too complex, too heavy, or don't give you full control over your data. What if you could have your own lightweight, fast, and open-source note-taking app, fully self-hosted and private? Today, I'm going to show you Memos, a simple and privacy-focused note-taking application designed for personal use. Memos lets you quickly capture thoughts, ideas, and notes in a clean and minimal interface. It's designed to be fast, distraction-free, and easy to use. With Memos, you can create and manage notes instantly, organize content with tags, search notes quickly, access your notes from anywhere, keep full control by self-hosting, all from a clean and minimal interface. Now, let's deploy it step by step. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new, you can quickly create an account and log in. Once inside the dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Templates under the Automation section. Next, go to the Marketplace. This is where you can browse and deploy different open-source applications. In the search bar, type Memos. When it appears, hover over it and click on Quick Deploy. You'll now see the deployment configuration page. Here, you can adjust settings such as the application name, organization, or deployment location depending on your requirements. For most users, the default configuration works perfectly fine. Once everything is ready, click on Deploy Application. The deployment process usually takes around 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your application is being deployed. Once the deployment is successful, click on View Application, then open the redirect link to access your running instance. When you open it for the first time, you'll be asked to create an admin account. Just enter your username, password, and basic details to get started. And that's it. Your Memos instance is now up and running. From here, you can start writing notes, organizing your thoughts, and building your own private knowledge base, all from your self-hosted Memos server. If you're looking for a simple and self-hosted alternative to traditional note-taking apps, Memos is definitely worth trying. If you found this helpful and want more open-source deployment tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and check the links in the description for the official documentation. See you in the next one.